Hey everyone, this is Jordan from Sleeklens.com, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the simple tools to help you correct specific colors in your photos. So we have this particular raw image here, and I'm going to go ahead and reset it a couple times so you can see that it's completely right out of camera. And one of my favorite tools is actually located in the Hsl panel. Stands for Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. So I'm going to go down here to the Hsl panel, I'm going to click there, and you can see we have three different options. We have Hue, Saturation, and Luminance. So let's say in this particular image, I want to change the colors of the trees. So I could go over here to the hue here, and I can click on greens because trees are typically green, obviously. And I can start changing this way. Some of it might be affected by the yellows, as you can see there. But one really easy way to do that is using the target adjustment circle right here. It's located at the top left of each one of these panels. So I'm going to click on Hue, I'm going to click on the target adjustment circle here, and as you can see our cursor changes. And what we can do here is click on a portion of the image, and I'm going to click on this middle tree right here. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag up. And as I drag up, it starts to change to a more green. It's changing the yellows and the greens there, as you can see on the Hsl panel. If I go down, it's going to change it to more of an orange. So this is one of those really cool ways that you see a lot of those photos that have the leaves that are really burnt orange. All the leaves on the ground are burnt orange, and it's got a really kind of a cool effect to it. This is probably the way that it's typically done. So that works for the hue portion there. So we can actually go to the saturation as well. Go back over here and click on this area, go up to saturate it a little bit more, and go down to desaturate it. You typically never want to desaturate that, but you can go up to saturate it a little bit more. And now you can see it starts to look more of like a fall photo. We can go to luminance, we can brighten the images up, the colors up to make it a little bit more bright right there, or darken them down. And as you can see, we're not changing anything except that circle adjustment tool that we applied there, and it's only changing the specific colors that are located within that group. So let's look at the before and after of just doing that. I'm going to click done here and look at the before and after. And as you can see, we have a really green scene, and now we have more of an orange scene. Obviously, we continue playing with this. We can go back over here, go to the hue. We can tone it down a little bit, play with it a little bit more. Just a lot of fun things. So if you have a lot of different color adjustments in your photos, you could use the target adjustment circle to make really specific changes to where you're not having to figure out which slider is going to affect which color. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in this quick video. If you want to see more information about Sleeklens, go to sleeklens.com. You'll see more information about Lightroom Presets, Photoshop Actions, photo courses, all kinds of stuff over there. This has been Jordan from Sleeklens, and I'll see you in the next video.